Hey guys, what's happening? How to hide your phone number on iPhone. Make anonymous calls. To hide your phone number on an iPhone, you can use the star 67, right? Just in your keypad, the bottom, just type star 67 before dialing in the US and Canada, or prepend hashtag 31st hashtag for other regions, or you could turn off show my color ID in your iPhone's phone settings. So go ahead to the settings app and then scroll a little bit down, find apps, and find type phone, right? So I'm gonna click phone, find show color ID or show my color ID, and then just turn it off. So consider liking this video, subscribing, and the recipient will typically see no caller ID or private. See you in the next one.